Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. I'm very excited to share with you this new video in this series where we are covering Qwen3 model from Alibaba. I already have shown you how to get it installed locally in various flavors. We have seen how to install it with Ollama, with VLLM, and we have also covered the whole architecture. For the purpose of this video, I am going to give you a real world use case where you can integrate this Qwen3 model which is running on Ollama with MCP or Model Context Protocol server, and then you can access external tools. Everything will be local, everything will be free, and you don't have to pay for any API cost, and everything will be Apache 2 licensed, so you can always use this in your own projects, whether it is commercial purposes or not. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to use Qwen3's quantized model served by Ollama on our local system, and then I'm going to integrate it with few lines of code with a model context protocol server. If you don't know what model context protocol or MCP is a way to integrate your AI models with your external data sources. I have covered it in great detail. I have also done a whole tutorial on MCP in very easy way. If you want to create your own MCP server, so just search out the channel and you should be able to find heaps of videos. Also, if you want to know what Ollama is, which is one of the easiest ways to run large language models locally, just few hours ago I did this video where I showed you how to run this Qwen3 model on Ollama. I already have my Ollama installed and running, which I'm going to show you now. So this is the Ollama where you can see that I have this Ollama's Qwen3 model running. So in order to just start serving here, all I need to do is to just do Ollama run Qwen3, and it is going to run this Ollama's 8 billion parameter model in context format. You can also download any other flavor from Ollama easily. Now our model is running and I'm using this Ubuntu server, and this server and my GPU card, which is NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM, is sponsored by Massed Compute. If you're also looking to rent a GPU or VM on very affordable prices, you can find the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a discount coupon code of 50% for range of GPUs. I'm not going to talk much about Qwen3 model itself in this video because I have been talking about it the whole day in the 6 or 7 videos I already have done on this since morning. So if you're interested in Qwen3 model, what exactly that is, just search the channel. Okay, so all said and done, let's go and see how we can integrate this Ollama based system on our local system. So I'm just going to clear the screen and let me quickly create a virtual environment with Conda, because what we need to do here, we need to install Qwen agent. You can also install any other agentic framework, but I'm just going to go with Qwen agent. It's simple, it comes very handy, but make sure that you install it from the source like I'm doing it here. Otherwise it might not work because it is very new. So if you're doing through pip, it might not work. So make sure that you git clone and then you install all the prerequisites from the root of the repo. This is going to take a couple of minutes as it installs a lot of things. And while it installs that, let me introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are Camel AI. Camel is an open source community focused on building multi-agent infrastructures for finding the scaling laws with applications in data generation, task automation, and world simulation. And I will also drop the link to their website in video's description. Okay, let's check it out. Everything is installed, which is great. Now I'm just going to go one step here and then let me clear the screen. Before I run this code app.py, which I have just created, let me show you the code. This is the whole code which not only integrates the Qwen's model with our agentic software and with MCP server too. So first up, we are importing that Qwen agent which we just installed. We are specifying Qwen3 model which we downloaded from Ollama. This is where our Ollama is running, the default port and our local host. As you can see, just keep the API key empty, and this is where you define your tools. So what exactly is tool? So look, what happens is user comes in, and then user just issues a prompt in natural language, just like user is saying here that this is the link and introduce the latest development of Qwen. So this is a user's response. On the basis of this natural language prompt, LLM converts it into a function call or tool call, and this is what that tool call is. From this tool call or tool use, it is calling this MCP server, and you can, because it's a list or dictionary to be exact, so you can have as many MCP servers as you want. So you can see that we have two MCP servers here. One shows the time in the Shanghai time zone. You can just change it to your own, and then the other one is which is using UVX to fetch the data as we are doing it here with the code interpreter, of course. And this is a Qwen agents lingo. I have done a video on Qwen agent too. But after specifying the tool and the LLM which we did above, we are integrating both of them, LLM and tool, and then this is where we are calling it. It is returning us the result. That's all there is to it. And as Qwen3 is really good in agentic capabilities, so it's and it's quite optimized too, by the way. So, and it is aware of MCP server, so it works naturally very well with these MCP servers. So this is how easy it is. So if you already have MCP servers, this is just a piece of cake to integrate it with your Qwen3 model. Let's go here. Let's run it. First time when you run it, it is going to download it. Okay, I think, okay. Let's wait. It is initializing, takes a bit of a time. And then once it's initialized, it's very quick. So I'm just going to scroll up here. This is where we call it. It has returned us the response, and there you go. So from here it has returned us that whole thing. I'm sorry, I know that formatting is not good, but we are not really worried about whatever the return response is. The key idea here is that it is very easy to integrate these tools and MCP servers with your Qwen3 model, which comes natively with agentic capabilities. Now if you're already using your MCP servers, if you already have some idea around MCP, and if you can simply integrate it. And if you want to know more about MCP, just search with MCP here, and I have done this easiest tutorial on model context protocol, and I can guarantee you will be a hero from zero if you're looking to build your own MCP server by just following this tutorial. Anyway, so this is about Qwen3. So let's go back to Qwen3. Anyway, I think I just double clicked. So look, I think that one of the best models in some time, I would say, and so much so that we saw that this first model, the mixture of expert, has even beaten DeepSeek R1. So the game has been lifted. The goalpost has moved. I think upcoming models would really have to work hard to beat this benchmark, and I'm not saying that lightly. That's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please do me a favor and share it among your network, like the video, as it helps a lot. Thank you for all the support.